recycling crushed concrete coarse aggregate generates significant amounts of fine aggregate. The Texas Department of Transportation traditionally uses 20% of this recycled crushed aggregate to replace sand in Class P concrete, saving taxpayer dollars while reducing the impact on the environment. Working closely with TxDOT and private sector contractors, researchers at the University of Texas Center for Transportation Research studied the effects of increasing the use of recycled crushed concrete in aggregate mixtures.
TxDOT has always been a promoter of use of recycled materials in concrete. And one of the restrictions that we had was limiting how much recycled concrete fine aggregate we allow. And so we wanted to do some research to see if we could really determine what is the limit of how much recycled fine aggregate is feasible.
Our goal of this project was to increase the use of recycled concrete as an aggregate in concrete pavements. And by doing so, increase the sustainability without sacrificing performance.
So this was a combination of both laboratory and field testing. There was a large component of laboratory evaluations of all the materials that we collected, and we're doing the studies in the lab to see, where should we be focusing on mix designs in the field.
Once we proved the concept in the lab and we went out to the field, we worked very closely with TxDOT to identify a site, and that is I-10, but it was the eastbound frontage road in Sealy, Texas, that amounted to about a half a mile of continuously reinforced concrete pavement. And since that pavement was constructed, we've gone back 4 different times to evaluate performance.
So far, the research has shown that we could probably go up to about 70% replacement without much of an issue comparing to our current specifications.
What that provides in terms of benefit is not needing to use as much naturally mined or processed materials. And in terms of the public, the biggest benefit is that we're being more sustainable as an industry. We
could see some benefit in some bid reduction by using recycled crushed concrete more often in higher percentages. Again, a benefit for the department is to realize some of those potential cost savings by using recycled materials.
For more information and to find the publications for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.